As a YouTuber, you know a good thumbnail attracts traffic and more views on your videos because thumbnail speaks or it summarizes what your entire video is all about. But some of you or some of us, we really don't have access to these good sites or these softwares that other big content creators create their thumbnails from. So the other day I just stumbled upon this site that you can create a thumbnail. I even did a thumbnail for my own YouTube video. It's right here. Make sure you go and watch. You know, a good thumbnail is like a beautiful dress in the store. You're walking by and you just see this dress and it attracts you. And despite the price, you go ahead and buy. That is the same way YouTube algorithm works. If your thumbnail is captivating, if your thumbnail is eye-catching, more viewers will be drawn to view or to watch your content till the end. But if your thumbnail is bad, they just scroll away and they won't mind watching your video. And yet you've made a good video that would go viral. So don't let that mistake happen to your videos. And that is why I decided to do this video. So watch this video till the end. Go to Google Chrome browser and open it, and it will load a menu like this. Click on AI mode and it will load into a menu like this, and it will ask you what do you want or what is in your mind. And I'm just here typing what I want for my YouTube thumbnail. And yes, I'm just getting in with the, then I'm going to add images. Just choose an image from your recent video, okay, or just any other picture that would resonate with that thumbnail and the video that you've shot. So after that, you click on the blue icon to upload your image together with what you've written, and it will load your image like that. And if you're not satisfied with your image, you can adjust or customize it to the way you want. And I went on and kept on just customizing my thumbnail because I wanted something unique, something that will drive people to my content and just watch it. Like I said, a thumbnail is simply a summary of your entire video. All right, yeah. One thing I love about this site is that you can keep customizing your thumbnail until you get your desired result, until you get what resonates with your title, with your content. All right. And what I didn't like about this one, it was just the background. I didn't like the yellow background. And like I said, you can always change and just adjust what you want and remove. You just ask AI to remove or to add or to just do any edit on your thumbnail. And I just went ahead and told you to change the background color only because the rest of the features were okay, and this was it, and I settled for this, and it just brings the vibe. So I went ahead and downloaded it. Like you've seen, it is as simple as it is. And there, your video will go viral. It will get more views. Go try it and let me know in the comment section if you have tried designing thumbnails using this particular site. And let me know, how did it turn out? How much views did you get from your videos? So stay around this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. It's just a new channel. Kindly take me to 100 subscribers. See you on the next video. Bye.